So today I have got you Poco M6 Plus 5G smartphone, latest in this series. Poco launches this device last week and now it's available to buy online as well as retail shops. You can check out the buying links to the description. But before that, let's review this amazing under budget 5G device for you that will cost you only Rs 13,499. I used M6 Plus for the last few days and now it's time to share my experience with you about this device. Playing games, clicking pictures, recording video and a lot, so that you get a fair idea about if you should buy it or not. Poco's new Poco M6 Plus seems like a pro version despite having the relatively more modest Plus tag in its name. Compared to the existing Poco M6 Pro, the new iteration features a bigger battery and a slightly overclocked processor. The base variant offers a more storage and RAM configuration. Most importantly, Poco has introduced a 108 megapixel camera smartphones in this sub variant, which comes under Rs 15,000 segment. In fact, much like these Pro siblings, the Poco M6 Plus 5G shares a specs with Redmi phone. Can you guess the name? Now let's start with the design and display. If you are a fan of a dual tone design, the Poco M6 Plus 5G might appeal to you. I got this graphite black color variant for the smartphone review, which offers a gradient finish when light hits the surface. Poco M6 Plus large cutouts for the rear cameras may remind you of the Poco M6 Pro. The design also reminds me of the Redmi 13 5G which Xiaomi launched in the last month. Similarly to its Pro siblings, we get a standard ports like buttons such as IR blaster, volume rockers, power button, USB port and 3.5mm audio jack. As the smartphone utilizes a tall 6.7-inch display, Full HD 120Hz refresh rate के साथ, and it may feel slightly overwhelming for those who have small hands. To be fair, the size feels ideal for my grip. You might also notice a small design changes in the front panel compared to the Poco M6 Pro version. What sets it apart from the most competitors in the addition of the glass back, which offers a premium look and feel. Of course, fingers smudged may be one of the biggest pain points for the material. There is also Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. Interestingly, Poco has skipped the brand's signature yellow color and instead offers options like ice silver and graphite black. A white variant for the Poco M6 could have been a great addition, especially with the dual tone finish. Now talking about the cameras, while Poco continues to skip the ultra-wide cameras on the budget offerings, the new Poco M6 Plus gets a 108 megapixel primary camera utilizing Samsung's ISOCELL HM6 primary camera. There is also a 2 megapixel of macro camera on the back. At the front, there is a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. Typically, the Poco M6 Plus prioritizes shots with the high brightness and vibrancy, the least those under decent lighting conditions. As a result, the photos may look more pleasing and more social media ready. Images in low light conditions are decent, but now you will notice some degree of softening to the reduced noises. Photos in extremely low light can be hit and miss, and you may need to tweak lighting and colors via native editing app to get a desirable output. Now talking about the performance and software, similar to the Redmi 13 5G and the Poco M6 Plus boasts Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 AE SoC. The AE in the moniker stands for the accelerated edition, meaning you get a slightly boosted clock speed of up to 2.3 GHz instead of 2.2 GHz. As I mentioned, the Poco M6 Plus also offers a 128 GB of storage across the two storage variants. The base model for 6 GB RAM costs Rs 12,999 and the top variant, which is I am also reviewing, carries a sticker price of Rs 14,499. Now talking about the battery, due to its modest specifications and IPS display, the Poco M6 Plus can be last full day with the heavy uses. My usage case includes social media browsing, mild gaming and plenty of camera tests. At least the test for the nearly 9 hours average performance, especially for the smartphone with the 5030 mAh battery. Notably, the Poco M6 Plus took less time to charge from 20 to 100% than its competitors. So it's time for final verdict. Overall, Poco M6 Plus specifications remains modest and the smartphone offers sufficient juice for basic tasks such as social media browsing, reading, WhatsApp and watching movies, enabling gaming, the 120Hz refresh rate may also enhance the experience, especially when scrolling. You may notice minor lag while opening or switching between apps, but that's the case with the almost all segment or smartphones that lies between this segment of rupees 14,000. Low light shots are not that biggest strength for this smartphone, but that applies to almost all the smartphones in this range. When it comes to heavy tasks such as gaming, the Poco M6 Plus offers decent performance. Though its IPS panel does not provide the best visual experience, Poco could have considered adding dual speakers if it was limited to using an IPS panel to keep the pricing aggressive. So if you are getting the Poco M6 Plus with some lucrative deals, it's worth considering.